beautiful people, my name is Lillian and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button below and the notification button next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Subscription is free of charge. I kindly request you to subscribe to support my channel. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and if you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Today's video is about donuts. I'll be preparing donuts, but before I do that, I want to quickly show you some of the equipment and ingredients that I'll be using. The first one is this set of measuring equipment. I got this from Kamkunji, although I'll leave details of all this in the description box. So if you're not sure about something, please always check the description box. In this set of equipment, we have the yellow one. The yellow one is half a tablespoon, that is 1 teaspoon. It's 7.5 ml. The purple one is 1 tablespoon. This is 15 ml. The orange one is quarter a cup. This is 60 ml. The green one is a third a cup, 85 ml. Blue is half a cup, 125 ml. And the red one is 1 cup, 250 ml. The second equipment is this donut cutter. I got this from Top Serve. I'll still leave details of this in the description box. I'm not so sure, but I think it was around, was it 200 bob or 150 shillings. Top Serve is on Kimathi Street, Kimathi House, 2nd floor. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. This is 3 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. This is 1 cup whole milk warm. These are 4 tablespoons granulated sugar. These are 4 egg yolks. This is 50 grams unsalted butter, room temperature. These are 2 tablespoons warm water. And this is 2.5 teaspoons active dry yeast. After the donuts have drained and cooled down, I'll use further ingredients on them. I'll use this. These are round sugar. I got this from Top Serve. I'll also use this dark compound. I'll grate and melt the chocolate. This is how it looks like. Just grate and melt it. But if you have chocolate chips, they are easier to use. You don't need to grate them. I'll also use this white compound. I'll grate the white compound. It looks just like the dark compound, but this is white. I'll grate and melt it over a pan of hot water. I'll start by combining the yeast and the warm water. So I'll just add the warm water to the yeast and let it stand for 10 minutes as I prepare other ingredients. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and thank you so much. See you in the next. Bye.